just recently cut your pants and turn them into shorts or something else. What do you do with the remaining leg fabric? Do you throw it away or turn it into something new? After watching this video, you might just have an idea on what to do with them. Hi, I'm Kuti. Today we are going to be stepping our toes into fashion and design / upcycling. I am going to be turning an old leg pants into a fashionable top in 4 easy steps. Every single one of us is creative in our own way. Though it might be difficult to tap into our creativity sometimes, a little inspiration could be what we need to kickstart our creative ideas. With this video, I am hoping that I can do that for you. This next step is quite intricate. On the first part of step 2, I am going to crochet an edging that will go all the way around the top, except the bottom. This will not only give it a unique design, but it will also work as a security so that the top does not fall apart. The next and final add-ons I'm gonna crochet are the straps. These are the heart and soul of this top. They will hold everything together through thick and thin, literally and figuratively. This is literally one of my most favorite part of these straps so far, and I'm gonna show you what they're gonna look like at the end when we put everything together. I'm gonna stick about 1,000 pins to secure the edging and the fabric. And then I'm just gonna sew everything together. This was the easiest step. So I'm actually thinking of turning this into a series because I'm about to transform my entire wardrobe. I'm going through an identity crisis. If you want to stick around and see what I'm gonna make next, just subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see when I post again. And finally, I am going to sew the straps in. Okay, I am done making the top. I just added the straps and we are going to move on to the most important step of this video, which is trying it on. So it is very simple. It has this nice edging at the sides. The bag is open and it has a lot of straps. It reminds me of a corset. I love it. I actually really love it. When I tried it on and looked at it, I kind of was not expecting it to look the way it did. And for a split second, I was disappointed that it was not up high here. But I kind of like it like this actually. I do. It has some sort of elegance to it. Is it just me who thinks this way? It literally has some sort of elegance to it. It could be the straps at the back. It literally could, but it also could be the fact that it's just like this at the front. I just don't know, but I also love the vintagey thing about it, animal prints and all kinds of stuff. I'm not one to usually just love animal prints, but this one is, I love it. I cannot believe I made this. Okay, now before I start fawning over the shirts too much, this was the video. I will be making a lot of videos like this, so if you like this content, just subscribe, turn on the notification bell to know when I post more, because a lot more are going to be coming, because I enjoy making new clothes out of old clothes. I enjoy making clothes in general, and if you like those kind of stuff, subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Moral of the video: let no fabric go to waste.